This is 3 things that I learned as a math tutor after teaching for 3 months. First, I realized that in the tuition space, we use a lot of paper for our worksheets. So for me, as someone who comes from the tech industry and also is teaching online, I've been actually using e-worksheets to give to my students for them to do it. And this helps me, number 1, mark the paper immediately so they don't have to wait just to see whether they get an answer correct or wrong. Second, they are able to get feedback immediately from the question because they're able to see the explanation and double check where they get wrong and how they can improve in the future. Third, since they don't have to wait, they actually can do more questions at a faster rate, because the more questions they do, especially on their weaker concepts and topics, the faster they get better on their weaker areas. Second, since I'm able to track what questions my students get correct and wrong, I'm able to use technology and AI to create a worksheet based on what they got wrong and what they are weak at. So for example, if a student were to be very weak at area of triangles, then in the future, I'm able to create more area of triangles questions so that the students can slowly improve on it. Therefore, I feel that the current education way of doing things is a little bit old school, but definitely there's a lot of improvement to be made, and hopefully what I'm doing is slowly making that progress to make us as smarter and better human beings. Therefore,